In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive storage full. If you've run into a message saying your OneDrive storage is full, the most direct solution is to upgrade your storage plan so you can keep saving files without interruptions. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to click. To get started, open OneDrive and go to the My Files area. This is your main file dashboard where you can view the content currently stored in your account. If your storage limit has been reached, you may already see a warning or banner letting you know that you're out of space. That's a good sign you're in the right place. Once you're on the My Files page, look for the option that says Get More Storage and click on it. This will take you to the Upgrade section where Microsoft shows the available storage plans you can choose from. This area is designed to help you increase your available space, and it's usually very straightforward to navigate. Next, select the plan that best fits your needs. Take a moment here to review the options carefully. Some plans are better for lighter storage needs, while others are more suitable if you regularly back up large files, photos, videos, or work documents. Choosing the right plan depends on how much space you need now and whether you expect your storage usage to grow over time. After selecting your preferred plan, click Buy Now. This will start the purchase process and allow you to confirm your subscription details. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the upgrade. Once the purchase is processed, your OneDrive storage limit should increase, and you should be able to continue uploading, syncing, and backing up your files normally. As a quick tip, after upgrading, it's a good idea to return to your OneDrive account and confirm that the new storage amount is reflected correctly. That helps ensure the change has gone through successfully. If you still see a full storage warning immediately after purchasing, give it a few moments and refresh the page, since account updates can sometimes take a little time to appear. And that's it. By going to My Files, clicking Get More Storage, choosing a plan, and selecting Buy Now, you can resolve the OneDrive storage full issue and get back to using your cloud storage without running into space limits.